Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Brandon with Back After 10 Ball Reviews. Thanks so much for stopping by. I know it's been a minute. Life happened. I have a new baby, new house, all that good jazz. So we're back to doing ball reviews. That aside, track Cypher. I'm going to make this video short and sweet. Absolutely way better than what I expected. For you spec heads, the specific information will be linked in the description below. It's a direct link to Track's website, so you can see all the specs that, you could nerd out all you want to. Layout, for me, it's just a simple pin down layout, although technically it doesn't look like it. It's a pin down layout. So between the layout intent and the overall ball construction intent, this is a first ball out of the bag for me. This is what I would call, for me, a benchmark ball. A ball that doesn't hook too much, doesn't hook too little. It has been great on house shots, and it has been really great in tournaments, especially when lanes kind of break down, or if I'm not sure really where to play. This is the first ball that helps me figure out what to do. Most recently, a ball in the tournament, I ended up using the track theorem, but in the beginning, I believe like the first game or two, this was the ball that I used, and I scored very well. I ended up, I think, finishing second in overall qualifying first round, led second qualifier, and ended up finishing 8th in the tournament. But this was the ball that led the way. I had some other pieces that I could have used. This was the ball that set the tone for the tournament for me. It's a ball, again, that I would say is good for those individuals who need to keep the ball in front of them. Maybe you don't hook the ball a whole lot. Maybe you just got just a low amount of revs, and you're coming down from a ball like maybe an Extreme MV or the Innovator or something like that. Some of those bigger asymmetrical balls, you need something to ball down to that can still keep you in play when those other balls are burning up and hitting like a wet mop. I think the Track Cypher is a ball that you can easily use. If you're a high rev player, not sure how this would fit for you, especially with the design intent for this ball. Maybe a different layout, surface prep could be beneficial to you. But for what I have seen, individuals and how they've used this and what they've been most successful with, it seems to be those guys, those strokers, those tweeners, again, who like to play more up the lane, as the shots here show. This ball was great going up the lane. The skid roll set was picture perfect for me. Again, it's not too much, it's not too little, it's just right. And then again, for me, this is a benchmark type shape. That's really it. If you guys are ever in the Grove City, Ohio area, first and foremost, thank you to Stardust Lanes for allowing me to record in their facility. Some places don't like that. Shout out to Jason Lundquist and the team over at Next Generation Pro Shop. Jason Lundquist and Eric Burris for helping me pick layout and finding the right piece for what I needed next in my bag. This will be a ball that I probably will drill a second one for. I have a ball that needs to be retired, and it's been discontinued anyway, so this is probably going to fill that slot here soon, and hopefully I'll be able to do a comparison so you guys can see more of a pin up versus a pin down comparison, because I genuinely like this ball. And with that being said, that's really it for this video. Shout out to Bolify for the for the shirt. Very comfortable, lightweight, form fitting. God, it makes me look buff. But anyway, thanks so much for watching. All links and descriptions information will be in the description below. If you got questions, please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section, and follow me on TikTok at Back After 10 Bowling as well. B Ross, I'll talk to y'all soon. I gotta get myself ready for work tomorrow. Peace.